Guys, they're soft. They're not breaking. Like keto pancakes, they're soft.
But they're 100% keto.
100% keto. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel,
Latino Keto.
Yes, today we're going to be making those pancakes we told you that we just discovered last weekend. They're delicious and really easy.
Delicious. And you can also freeze them.
Yes, you can freeze them. So that's actually what we're going to do tonight. It is right now 9:30, so it's way past my bedtime because yes, I go to sleep like at 8:30. We're going to make them today. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna try one and then we're gonna freeze them and show you tomorrow morning how easy it is to just keep them in your freezer, and then breakfast is gonna be a breeze when you're on the go. Yep. All right, so let's start with the ingredients. We have 2 ounces of cream cheese. This can be straight out of the refrigerator. It does not have to be room temp. 3 large eggs. 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon, and yes, a little extra because I love it, of vanilla, 1/8 of a cup of avocado oil, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 tablespoons of your keto sweetener of choice. Again, we're using swerve erythritol. 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. And 3/4 cups of almond milk. This should make about 12 almond flour. Like I said, this is an hour past my bedtime. So this should make about 12 to 13 small pancakes. So I'll show you. We're gonna mix it all into the blender. Yes, I use a Ninja. Hopefully my husband will splurge and buy me a $20 blender soon so I can show you legit videos, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's put it in this Ninja and then we'll be right back after we blend it. All right, we're back. Everything's mixed, blended up. Girl, she loves to smell things. So this is the consistency of the batter. Okay, perfect pancake batter. I almost forgot the pinch of salt, but my trusty cameraman reminded me. So now we're gonna go ahead and take pinch salt. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the little cooking thing, the griddle, and cook these pancakes, and we're gonna show you exactly how great they look. They are small, but they're delicious. You can make them whatever size you want.
And you can freeze them and they're perfectly round.
They are round pancakes, it's important.
Really round.
We'll be right back. All right, so we are back. Our griddle is hot, don't get burned. This is about medium heat on the stove. The griddle, I have it to about 250 to 300 degrees. And so now we're gonna go ahead and pour our pancake batter onto the griddle. So I have a small scoop here, I don't know, maybe about 1/8 of a cup.
And look at how round that is.
That's right, round pancakes, that's important. And that's what, about 3 inches worth of pancake?
Yep. They're kind of so delicious.
So delicious. And round, we established they're gonna be round pancakes.
Also, you can add cinnamon if you want. It's your choice.
Yes, you can add cinnamon. We ended up doing just traditional pancakes, but the last weekend we did put cinnamon and they were delicious. Topped them up with just syrup and whipped cream.
And I stole the last bit of jelly.
She did. Oh, and butter. Lots and lots of butter. I'm sure everybody knows about this butter, but we just discovered it. It's the whipped butter with sea salt. Guys, I loved butter before. Now I love it even more. So let's look at the pancakes. You'll see they're bubbling like actual pancakes. They are rising like actual pancakes.
They're round.
They're round like actual pancakes. You silly girl. And they taste delicious. So
Really
we bought
delicious.
a few different brands of keto pancakes. We tried some online pancakes. The combination of almond flour, coconut flour, and the cream cheese, that made a difference. Guys, trust me, you guys have to try these. And again, they freeze up perfect. So right now it's almost 10 at night. We're not gonna eat all these pancakes. We are gonna try them because we love our pancakes, but we're gonna freeze them and then we're gonna show you how easy it is to just microwave them in the morning. All right, so we're gonna keep an eye on these. Maybe a couple minutes. So this one looks nice and brown. So we are gonna flip the first one.
Ooh, that came out
Guys,
perfect.
That's a perfect pancake.
Right there.
So we're gonna go ahead and flip them all and we're gonna let them cook on the other side.
Just don't flip them on top of each other.
No.
Yep, I've seen some people do that and
Your dad.
So that one's a little messed up, but it's okay. Because that's just gonna come out. You can like eat that.
Oh yeah, you can still eat it. Guys, look at that. They're puffy.
And they look so delicious.
So
When my mom made these and she placed them down, I'm like, oh, I didn't know we had the ones from the Walmart pancakes that we buy at the store, that we used to buy at the store. She's like, no, we actually made them. I'm like, what? Because it looked so round and it tasted so good. So delicious.
All right, guys, so we'll go ahead. We'll be right back once we plate these on the plate. We're gonna add tons of butter. Okay, a normal amount of butter. Syrup. Oh, these are the syrups we use. Chalk Zero. This was my favorite. As you can tell, it's almost gone. So most of the keto syrups, they're really watery. This is thick, guys, and the taste is delicious.
So delicious.
So delicious. So we're gonna use some syrup. We're gonna use some of the jelly, a little bit of cream, and a whole lot of butter.
How
Okay.
many times have we said that?
I don't know, bro, it's late. This looks done, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off.
And we
Place
still
them
have
over
some
here.
more to go, but we'll do that later.
Guys, they're soft. They're not breaking. Like keto pancakes, they're soft.
But they're 100% keto.
100% keto. Hey guys, so we're back. Our pancakes are done. Exactly 12 pancakes. Sorry, I was not prepared with the macros, but we will put them on the comments or on the description below. So here we have,
Well, 13 plus the tiny little dot.
oh yeah, we have this tiny, tiny little dot. So this is 13 pancakes. Here we have a traditional pancake, which is butter and syrup. Yes, I love butter. This is Nilani. She wants to try our jelly. So this is pancake, whipped cream, and she's gonna top it off with some of that strawberry preserve we just made. While she's doing that, I'm gonna take these off the griddle because we don't want to overcook them. Guys, these are soft.
Tiny pancake tasted delicious. I already ate
Turn
my
this
tiny
off. All right, I'm gonna grab a quick fork so we can try these.
I ate my tiny pancake.
All right, guys.
I am just gonna go in for Hey, You kicked me.
No, do not call child services. I did not kick this girl. All right, so pancake, guys, it's soft.
It looks delicious.
Delicious. Leilani, do you want to show our people what it looks like?
Delicious.
How delicious?
Like 10 out of 10.
In her words, this would be so delicious. So I need to try yours, girl. Share the love. Like the strawberry.
Ah.
Okay, deal. This one's
No.
better. All right, guys. That's it for today. I need to get over here and eat this before she finishes off.
No.
These are delicious. Have to try them. We're gonna freeze all those up, and we're gonna show you tomorrow how easy it is to microwave them in the morning for when you're on the rush. Thank you for joining us, and again, don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna quickly grab one and then quickly grab the other one. And by the way, these are frozen, so these are the ones. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, just quickly put that in. I'm gonna do cook. And the time, I'm thinking like about 45 seconds is good. So we're gonna hit start, and then let's see. We'll see you guys when it's done. So let's see. It smells so delicious. Ooh, these are nice and warm too. So what I'm gonna do is put on some butter.